In today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Horology royalty in the Seiko SRPE93K Prospex Turtle. Taking heavy influence from the ever iconic Seiko 6105, also known as the Captain Willard, arguably the most iconic Vietnam War era watch, this one here gives off heavy vintage vibes. This model replaces the SRPE93K with the only update being the caseback text, so essentially it is the exact same watch with one minor change. The turtle case shape is instantly recognizable for many watch enthusiasts and makes for a great rugged look. Case diameter is 44.3mm, however I think it wears a little smaller than this, and for a watch this size, it is surprisingly wearable. The silicone band with the accordion waves makes for a really comfy wear, and it's easily adjustable with the stainless steel buckle. When you find the right fitment on one of these watches, it's really snug, and thanks to that turtle case shape, it sort of hugs the wrist. One thing I love about this watch is the contrast and readability on that dial. The black dial with the stainless steel hands and the strong lume in the hands and hour markers is just perfect for reading the time at a glance. The automatic movement used inside this watch is the in-house Seiko 4R36 movement. It's going to be really reliable and afford 41 hours of power reserve. A day date window sits at 3 o'clock and there's no Cyclops, which means we get a completely flat Hardlex glass. Look, an easy to read watch with nice big markers and a tough case makes this a great beta watch. Honestly, if you were to just have a one watch collection, this would make a great contender. Of course, being a dive watch, we get 200 meters of water resistance and a screw down crown is included at 4 o'clock. It's one click out to change the day and date depending on which direction you twist, and 2 clicks to change the time. With a fully stainless steel build, bar of course the silicone band, this makes for a fairly chunky and heavy watch. However, I think for a watch this caliber, that should be no surprise. And honestly, I don't mind it. A little bit of weight on the wrist isn't too bad. Let me know what you think of this watch because I absolutely love it. The Seiko turtle case shape is iconic and I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. This is a great one for the collection. If you like watches a little chunky, I guarantee you'll enjoy wearing it. So if you want to pick one up online, just head into the description and click the link to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more of your favorite watch content.